What if I told you that your Instagram posts could pay your bills? In this video, we're diving into the secrets of turning your social media presence into a money-making machine. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Our summary might be a bit longer because we don't compromise on the content of the books. Stay connected with Reader's Bookspress. Matthew Loop's book, Social Media Made Me Rich, is a game-changing guide for anyone looking to turn their social media presence into a wealth-building machine. Whether you're a beginner or already navigating the digital world, this book offers practical strategies to help you succeed. Let's break it down into key lessons, explained in a way that's easy to understand and apply. Number 1. The power of personal branding. Think of your personal brand as your digital fingerprint. It's what makes you unique and memorable. Loop emphasizes that in today's world, your online presence is your resume. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter aren't just for sharing memes, they're tools to showcase your expertise, passions, and personality. A strong personal brand helps you stand out in a crowded digital space. It attracts opportunities, whether it's collaborations, job offers, or clients. Start by defining your niche. What are you passionate about? What value can you offer? Then, consistently share content that reflects your unique voice. Number 2, content creation is key. Content is the backbone of your social media strategy. But it's not just about posting for the sake of it, it's about creating value. Loop stresses that your content should educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. Valuable content builds trust and authority. When people see you as a reliable source, they're more likely to engage with you and support your business. Experiment with different formats: videos, blogs, podcasts, or infographics. Find what resonates with your audience and stick to a consistent posting schedule. Number 3. Monetizing social media. Here's where the magic happens. Loop shares how you can turn your social media following into a money-making machine. From affiliate marketing to selling your own products or services, the opportunities are endless. Social media isn't just for likes and comments, it's a powerful tool to generate income. Once you have a dedicated audience, you can monetize in multiple ways. Start small. Promote a product or service you believe in, or create a simple digital product like an ebook or online course. Test what works and scale from there.
Number 4. Building relationships. Social media isn't a one-way street. It's about building genuine connections with your audience, fellow creators, and industry leaders. Loop highlights that engagement is key to growing your network. Relationships open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and new opportunities. People are more likely to support those they feel connected to. Respond to comments, join conversations, and don't be afraid to reach out to others in your niche. Authenticity goes a long way. Number 5. Diversifying social media platforms. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Loop advises being active on multiple platforms to reach a wider audience. Each platform has its strengths: Instagram for visuals, LinkedIn for professional networking, TikTok for short-form videos, and so on. Diversification ensures you're not overly reliant on one platform. It also allows you to connect with different types of audiences. Tailor your content to each platform. For example, post eye-catching visuals on Instagram and share professional insights on LinkedIn. Number 6. Patience and consistency. Success doesn't happen overnight. Loop reminds us that building a social media presence is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and consistency to see results. Many people give up too soon because they don't see immediate results. But those who stay consistent reap the rewards in the long run. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated. Number 7. Scaling your social media business. Once you've built a solid foundation, it's time to scale. Loop shares strategies like automating tasks, outsourcing, and diversifying income streams to take your business to the next level. Scaling allows you to grow beyond what you can do alone. It frees up your time and helps you focus on high-impact activities. Use tools like scheduling apps to automate your posts. Hire freelancers for tasks like graphic design or video editing. Explore new revenue streams such as online courses or coaching. Why this book is a must-read. Matthew Loop's Social Media Made Me Rich isn't just a book, it's a roadmap to financial freedom in the digital age. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or someone looking to transition into the online space, this book provides actionable strategies to turn your social media presence into a thriving business. Social media is more than just a tool for connection, it's a powerful platform for building wealth. With the right mindset, strategies, and consistency, you can achieve incredible results. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Reader's Books Press for more book summaries and actionable tips. Let us know in the comments what's your biggest challenge when it comes to social media. We'd love to hear from you.